Hi guys, welcome to INS TechSub channel. I'm Swapna, your trainer. I'm going to explain on CCNA exam information. See guys, in this video I'm going to some information on CCNA certification exam, like some overview on CCNA exam and what is the prescribed size of exam and how the questions will be asked in that exam and what is the passing score. These are all, see guys. Now CCNA exam will be completely a computer based exam guys, where you will be given by some set of questions and you can answers them on the computer, and probably all your Cisco certifications will be run maintained by PSMU. PSMU is the authorized testing center to run all your Cisco exams, and you can visit the website guys, that is vue.com, and you can search for any of the nearest center. If you want to you some more information in details, if you have to find out nearest possible center and where you can register by CCNA exams and any Cisco exams. Actually, easy way to find your nearest possible center in your city by going to PSN website. And cost for the examination right now $295. The current prices while I'm recording this video $295. It can change, it will depends on like your the Cisco website. To know exact price of CCNA exam, you can browse CCNA and Cisco website guys. The duration of exam will be 90 minutes to 120 minutes depending on the regions of countries taking the exam. Most of the English not speaking countries, it will take 120 minutes. So I go in 90 minutes of average exam. The number of questions, it depends on the some of the software used for testing exams. The average will be from 50 to 55 questions. So you get number of questions which will be tested. The average will be, we can say, 50 to 55 questions. Now the question tags will be single choice or multiple choice. Text slate, it has 4 to 5 questions on the scenario diagrams, and also drag and drop D&D, also simulates, and it has some name text like that, and comments, it has verify option. So uh, if you have more idea on exam, you will be type on google.com and search for the CCNA exam demo. Next kind of questions, you have multiple choice and multiple answers, where will be a questions you may have two or more correct options. The good thing, in bracket, it will mention clearly how many correct answers, so we don't worry about that two or three options. You have to select correct options based on the question. Next, drag and drop. Drag and drop questions are more similar to match of the following questions. You have to some options given on the left side of your screen. Don't worry, the simulation given everything here guys. Next kind of questions may have fill in the blank, where you will get a question and based on that question you have two type correct numbers. You will type on boxes mostly. Next, you will have a question in your right side on your screen. You read completely. Also, you have left side scenario. The question will be given. You have to go through complete scenario. After that, you have to get the command line by clicking device. Here, you have to type for the correct command line based on scenario. The valuation of the question and is completely based on the current command and correct outputs you are getting. Next one, the left side scenario, the questions will be given. You have to go through complete scenario and answer them. The next type of questions called textlet questions. It's a scenario based. Here you have to set write 1 2 3 and you have to given right side 4 to 5 questions, and you have to click then. So the overall scoring will be based on 1000 points, guys, and you have to score at least 82.5%. In this way, you have to clear your CCNA. One thing, the major disadvantage is in here, the previous no previous option is available, and in coming to Microsoft exams, you have more options like previous options enable and go back and make some changes, and also configurations. Some answers are available, but here not. So this is about the total CCNA certification exam details, guys. If you have